Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to delete a playlist on YouTube. So first thing is, of course, go to youtube.com, and now from here guys, you could just simply go to the left side over here, or if you don't see this side tab, you could just simply select the three line to the top left corner of the screen. And now from here guys, you could just simply go for playlist. Now if you don't see the playlist, you could just simply select U over here. And now from here, you should be able to see your playlist down below, as you can see over here. So just simply select playlist or U. Now once you are here on your playlist, as you can see, you will have the three dots over here. And after that, you should have an option over here, edit or delete. So just simply select delete in order for you to delete a playlist. So guys, by default, you cannot delete the watch later playlist and the like video playlist because it is there on default. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.